Hello friends, it's Let's Check It channel, and today I want to show you 3 boxes. 1, 2, 3. It's the power bank box for you can do power bank. Inside battery I take from my old motorbike, electric motorbike, and we install it. Here 8 items. Okay, it's not charged. Let I pause and will charge it. Work already, and it I do one more. Here I have 2 USB ports, one type C for charge or charge your phone, and one micro USB only for charge inside. 6%, and have 2 LED, 2 flash LED. Easy for do it. I bought on Aliexpress for $3 for one item.